Okay, look at the 13th question. Cost price of two beds are equal. One bed is sold at a profit of 30% and the other one for rupees 5,504 less than the first one. If the overall profit earned after selling both the bed is 40%, what is the cost price of each bed? 5 choices are given at first try yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here, let's solve this question using a simple assumption method. We assume that cost price of each bed is 100. Therefore, total cost of price is 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. The overall profit is 14%. Therefore, total selling price is 200 plus 14% of 200, that's equal to 228. The first bed is sold at a 30% profit, therefore its selling price is 130. The first bed selling price is 130 and second bed selling price is 228 minus 130, that's equal to 98. Therefore, second bed is sold at a loss of 2%. The difference between selling price of first bed and second bed is 130 minus 98, that's equal to 32. 100 as a one bed cost, therefore this 32 is 32% of the actual cost of price. The difference between first bed selling price and second bed selling price is 5,504. Therefore, actual price 32% is 5,504. Therefore, its 100% is equal to 5504 divided by 32 into 100. That's equal to 17,200. Therefore, the correct choice is 5. Look at 14th question. A shopkeeper purchased two types of wheat costing rupees 220 per kg and rupees 300 per kg. In what ratio should he mix the wheat so that he could sell the mixture at the rate of rupees 360 per kg in order to earn a profit of 25%? 5 choices are given. At first try yourself. Okay, let's solve this question using a shortcut method. The cost price of two types of wheats are 220 per kg and 300 per kg. The mixture is sold at 360 per kg at the profit of 25%. So, our first step is to find the cost price of the mixture. The cost price of the mixture's 125% is 360. Therefore, the cost price is 288. We using a alligation method here, 220, 300 and 228 is center. Take the difference is equal to 12 is to 68. That's equal to 3 is to 17. Therefore, the correct choice is E. Look at the 15th question. A shopkeeper wants to make a profit of 20% on an article after selling it, while he gives a cash discount of 20%. Further, he allows 4 more articles free after the purchase of 1 dozen articles to his premium customer. How much percentage above the cost of price should he mark his article? 4 choices are given. At first try yourself. Okay, let's look at the solution. In this question, we need to focus on 2 key ideas. First, from customer point of view, he pays only for 12 articles but he receives 16 articles. customer receives 16 articles but he pays only for 12 articles because 4 articles are given free. On the other hand, from the shopkeeper point of view, he incurs the cost of 16 articles but he receives the money only for 12 articles. The shopkeeper incurs the cost of 16 articles but he receives the money for 12 articles. This is the most important logic in this problem. The second, the shopkeeper wants an overall profit of 20% since the amount collected only for 12 articles. Therefore, the required selling price of per paid article is 16 divided by 12 into 120, that's equal to 160%. Now, applying the second condition, the shopkeeper give 20% discount on the market price. Therefore, market price 80% is equal to 160% of cost of price. Therefore, market price is 160 divided by 80. Cost of price is 100. Therefore, 200. Therefore, hence the article marked 100% above the cost of price. The correct choice is C.